This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kakin Hon Menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya hagi jingalang kabala syong hak hatlai terek jiliu arhajar arpesan kalarai ban pishar benia biang badan penklan syuk ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA dakaba ontong syuk ya ki beniat hak aan kabala don lupa. Kini ke sinjam kolong kum ke jingpin snow halor ke jingja ke bedang chidep shen hasora ha kaba ke jela ka thumu ban khanglat ya ke jingrong jongki reus new ki ba pen itu eladi kum kinong jungok kai perthai. Unong aiktin ke MDA ubadairu menteri ke kenhun menteri uba Paul Lingdo ulaong halor kamat ban penteri kam ya ke indelayan permit ILP ke yeng dorbar jela kala dep shim ya ke resolution kani ke kam kadang sakut hakamat ke tenat kam po yeng kabadon katu kat ni ke jingkeli kabakum ke sorkar jela kadang persyang ban penbet ya kani Unong aiktin ke MDA ulaong bakat tu kat ni nak kini jingkeli ki adai bak kijing shisha bak Meghalaya kam dai ke jaka ka bakut namar ke jela ke penyesok ru bat ki wei pat ki benta jong kathan chatai lam mingi kum ka silchar bat ki jela Mizoram bat Tripura kum ta ki don kat tu kat ni ki jingkeli henrai la dapi yat lingba ke MRSSA kala don lupa shibun ki AKA ki bla don kam ban penbha ya kan ni henrai ke sorkar kadang persyang ban penbha wala ke MRSSA kala don lupa kat tu kat ni ki la jingada henrai menteri ulaong baka sorkar ketemu ban penkiu bat penbha ban penteri kam ya ka
MRSSA is our version of what we would like to do in order to ensure the safety of all residents of Meghalaya. But as I mentioned, we would like now to revisit the Act in order to plug whatever loopholes are currently in it and give it more dynamism and more thrust with whatever has happened at Sora so that we ensure that we have an atmosphere that is safe and we continue to be tourist friendly. The current MRSSA which is in force.
Ulong shushu ba ka app ban pet bnia ya ki nong jungok kai perthai ka bobut din ya ka jinglet jingwan jo ki nong jungok kai perthai bat ka jing pendon kam ya ki kali kadang trai kam menta ha ka ba kumba 100% ka jingbut renti hap deng ki jakasa ki jaka jungok kai perthai bat ki hotel menta ka sorkar ka matha ban pendon kam ya ka habaro ki jakasa ka ba penlong ya ka jing pendrum kerteng ya ki nong jungok kai perthai ka badon kam Menteri beripet ya kakam jungok kai perthai ula kamru ba ka jingwan jungok kai perthai hasora kadang kiustet bat ban ong ba ka jela kad kemik lenti bakan poi syaka at holak ngut ki nongwan jungok kai lingba ka tamasa cherry blossom.
As we speak, the footfalls at Sora itself is increasing. There are more and more visitors. Even when the case was still not solved, the footfall was still the same. Now, with the name of Meghalaya being vindicated and cleared, we are only seeing greater traction, more footfall. And we expect that this would touch 20 lakhs by the Cherry Blossom Festival. They're all active. In fact, the one that we have in Shillong will be shifted to the MTC building in order for us to gain more space. Okay. We have already issued a notice calling for interested youths who are fluent in Khasi, Garo, English and Hindi to join the tourist buddy scheme, and within the next 2 months we should be able to clear the appointment of 100 tourist buddies. See, we already have a tourism act which records all movements of tourists, including the cars or whatever mode of transport they use, and also compulsory registration of all visitors at various homestays, resorts and hotels. Now, the use of this app is roughly around 50%, but we will now make it compulsory that all homestays, resorts and other places of accommodation should register all visitors mandatorily.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya